I'm going to show you how to quickly clear your cache with Google Chrome. To get started, you go up top to this 333 button in your browser, hit that, and then go down to Settings. Select Settings, and then from here, we're going to go to Privacy and Security. Select that, and you'll see this option called Delete Browsing Data. That's what we're looking for. We're going to click that, and here under Basic, I have everything selected. Obviously, you don't have to have everything selected, but for me, I want a fresh start with all of this. So I'm going to delete data, and that is it. There's also this advanced option if you want a kind of more thorough, clear situation, but I don't need that. I've done what I need, and that is it. Clearing your browsing data is extremely useful. You can fix loading issues, free up storage space. It helps with privacy and security. You can improve your browser speed, and also any website errors you may have. After clearing your cache, it can help resolve those too. So please join me for more videos where I problem solve, and I hope that you found this video useful.